Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
COVID test. Ugh.
Prescription medications for COVID exist. If you test positive this summer, ask your doctor if they're right for you. Visit PfizerForAll.com COVID-19 to learn more.
This is not, no. See the lines on the road? Get over.
Stay cool this summer with AC Pro and O'Reilly Auto
Move
Parts.
the over, lady. I don't want, no, do not. Get the over. No.
Air conditioner leaks.
Move over. What the hell are you doing, lady? No, you cannot. This is a yellow line. You may not get the over. My Lord. Oh my God.
What the? Just, sir.
Oh, here comes someone who's probably going to cut me off.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yes. Hold on. Yep. Jump in.
Signs.
There isn't. Whoa.
Whoa.
Man, there's about a wreck right there.
Bro, I forgot about that. Holy sh**.
Yo, just a fucking kick it on grave. Got to get your own way down the Philly go. You ain't never made a list next to no Biggie, no chain next to Taylor Swift. And that Iggy home, you about to really close.
Ah! God damn.
You gotta be kidding me.
When, where, how?
I don't know. Either at the end of the summer or during the year.
Idiot. You have a stop sign. I don't have a stop sign.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.